Hello friends, now we will know the definition of data recovery. What is the definition of data recovery? Data recovery is the process of restoring data that has been lost accidentally or deleted, corrupted or made inaccessible for any reason. In enterprise information technology, data recovery typically refers to the restoration of data, a desktop, laptop, server, or external storage system from a backup. The data recovery process may vary depending on the circumstance of the data loss. The data recovery software used to create the backup and the backup target media. Now we will know the best data recovery software and its reviews and price. Data Rescue PC3, its price $99. OnTrack Easy Recovery, its price $79. Stellar Phonex Windows Data Recovery Professional, its price $99.99. Seagate File Recovery, its price $99. RStudio, its price $79.99. Data Recovery Wizard, its price $69.95. Recovery Mails Files Professional, its price $99.95. Get Data Back, its price $79. Power Data Recovery, its price $69. And Salvage Data Recovery, its price $99.